Hello, I'm Auntie Dana with another story. Now, I might not be your auntie, but I tell my stories and talk to kids like a loving auntie would. And I really hope you have loving aunties in your life. Okay, let's get to it, shall we? This is a little golden book, the Kitten Book. So today is actually two quick stories, the Kitten Book and Little Puppy. So many children that I know just love small animals, so you might like this too. Okay, by Jan, I'm going to say Pfloog for the last name. Oh, and look at those cats. Aren't they cute? Okay. Kittens are born with their eyes tightly shut, and their eyes open in about a week. Did you know that? Their eyes are still growing and developing, even though they're already born. Then kittens can explore the world, and they're wobbly on their feet at first. Oh, nice, bright, open eyes. Soon, kittens grow big enough to lap milk from a dish. And they all share it. Kittens like to keep neat and clean. They wash themselves with their rough pink tongues. And that's so true. I have a cat, and I always say she's so soft when I'm petting her. Such a soft kitty, but a sandpaper tongue. But they have to be to clean their fur, right? Kittens play games together, and they pretend to be fierce. Kittens are curious about anything that moves. Oh, isn't that true? I'm going to take like a piece of string or anything and dangle it. Little kitties will be up there trying to grab it. They even try to catch butterflies. Look at that. Their paws, their front paws are amazing catchers. Some kittens are all one color. There's a gray one. And some kittens are all kinds of colors. Aww. My cat is all kinds of colors. They call her a tabby cat. Some kittens are sleek and slim. And that looks like a Siamese cat. Others are furry and fluffy. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Kittens run fast when they hear a dinner dish being filled. They do. And they're the run, 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 run. Sometimes kittens sleep all stretched out. Sometimes they curl into a furry ball. And I think sometimes that's how we sleep too, right? We like to sleep different ways. Sometimes kittens get into mischief when the house is fast asleep. Dark outside, kitten found a spool of thread. Oh, it's going to be a tangled mess in the morning, huh? Oh, the next book. Little Puppy. And the book is in the shape of the puppy. Is that the cutest thing ever? Little Puppy. Looking for the author. We'll get that later. Little puppies are just like children. They love the comfort and warmth of snuggling with their mothers. They love to go off and explore new things with the mother, but then going off to explore. Little puppies love to play outside, just like kids. They like to roll around in the grass. They are excited to see the plants, flowers, and creatures around them. The mother dog always keeps a close watch on the puppies. She makes sure they are safe and stay out of trouble. Puppies even like to make new friends. For fun, they chase little ducklings and other small animals. They are careful not to fall in the pond. Maybe one day they will learn how to swim. There they are. Baby ducks and baby dogs, puppies, right? Same. Little puppies love adventure. Now they are old enough to ride in the car. Just like children, they love to go to new and exciting places. There they are, taking turns to hop in the car. And this is called Look at Me Books from Barron's. Look at me books. Look at me, look at me. Have a great day. Bye for now.